this is how bamboo chicken is prepared. Chicken is stuffed into the bamboo stock and plugged and slowly ambered. You get plenty of it here. It's a famous delicacy. So we are now poised to have our dinner, and just guess what? We have ordered the famous bamboo chicken. So we are getting ready. Bamboo chicken has been delivered in this form. Once the chapati comes in or the roti comes in, we will unpack it and see how it looks like. This is really thrilling. Wow. So the rotis have come and we are going to start unpacking the most thrilling menu of today's. So Rian is trying to ऊपर लीफ हटा दे. अच्छा माछखाने रखो माछखाने. So the bamboo chicken has come out. बजाओ की हाथ तो धुए पाता प्लग करा दो. So this is what bamboo chicken looks like, and these are the accessories: the leaf plug and the bamboo. Yes, sir. You can see it's empty now. No, it's still not empty because we got some more chicken in it. So I will take it out myself. So that is how bamboo chicken is served now. We are ready to begin our dinner. Yum yum.